it's Tequila from the Chinook Regional Library, and today I am going to talk about how you can pick up a nifty craft kit from your local library. Our craft kits come in a brown paper bag, and there's quite a few things inside them. Let's check out what we have. We have 2 fall colored crayons. Your fall colored crayons may be different. You might get a yellow and a red, or a brown and an orange, or a red and an orange. So just keep in mind that fall colors are different, and they are for coloring the templates that are inside your craft kit. So one of the templates that we have is a box and a leaf bookmark. I'll be showing you how to put those together in a separate video. We have some instructions. This is the instructions for the Fox and Leaf bookmark, and we have a QR code in case you missed our storytime videos. You can use that to find us online. And then we have a little piece about a survey on the back and our characters that we will put together. Inside, you will find a template to turn this brown paper bag into a nifty scarecrow puppet. Again, we will do a separate video for that. Now on this side, this is for parents to fill out. If you have enjoyed our program and want to let us know, or if you have some suggestions or some improvements on our virtual programming, you can fill this survey out. It actually conveniently detaches, and then you can return it to your local library branch. So that is what is in our craft kit. There are some other nifty things in here too. There's a brown piece of paper to help make a scarecrow puppet, and there's some yellow and orange, and you have 6 strips to make the scarecrow's hair. So what we will start with in a little bit is how to make the fox and leaf marks. So I'm just going to pull out some samples here. So this is one sample, and here's the one that I colored before, and then here's another little fox bookmark, and here's mine that I colored from my kit. So we'll start with these. Part of the reason why we want to start with those is because the instructions for them are on the first page, and as you will notice is on the inside back page, so they're copied back to back, are the eyes and the buttons and the leaves for the scarecrow and the instructions for the scarecrow. So we don't want to make our scarecrow puppet and cut this out first before making our fox and leaf bookmark. So that's these instructions here. So I will start that video in a minute.